Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're exploring cryptocurrency exchanges and considering Binance, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a detailed review of Binance, covering everything from features to trading fees and how to get started with the Binance referral code 291935167. So, let's dive right in. Binance is one of the leading crypto exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Binance has something to offer. By using the referral code 291935167 when you sign up, you can access some fantastic bonuses. Let's talk about what makes Binance a great choice for crypto trading. Binance was founded in 2017 and has quickly grown into a significant player in the crypto exchange market. With millions of users worldwide, Binance provides a robust platform for trading, investing, and earning in the crypto space. Binance boasts a user-friendly trading interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Here are some key features. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. Binance supports over 600 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most diverse exchanges available. Trading options. Offers spot, margin, and futures trading with various order types like market, limit, and conditional orders. Proprietary trade matching system ensures efficient and quick transactions. Staking options provides opportunities to earn income through various staking programs. Mobile app. Trade on the go with the Binance mobile app. Binance offers several attractive promo codes. Here's an overview. Trading fee discounts. By using the referral code 291935167, you can enjoy discounts on trading fees. Bonus USDT. New users can receive bonus USDT upon signing up and making their first deposit. Other promotional offers. Various seasonal and special promotions that provide additional rewards and benefits. Getting started with Binance is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the Binance website. Open your browser and go to Binance.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code 291935167. During the sign-up process, make sure to enter 291935167 in the designated field to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration and you're all set. Using the code 291935167 is key to unlocking those referral benefits. Once you've signed up, you might want to verify your identity for additional features. Here's how. 1. Log in to your Binance account. 2. Go to Profile Identification. Click on Complete Now on the pop-up. 3. Confirm your country. Make sure it matches your ID. 4. Fill in personal details. Enter your information and click Continue. 5. Verify your ID. Upload the required documents and provide a selfie. 6. Complete facial recognition using your device's camera. 7. Wait for approval. Binance will notify you via email once your verification is complete. This process ensures the security of your account and allows you to access all the features of Binance. Claiming your bonuses on Binance is straightforward. 1. Deposit funds. Make an initial deposit to your Binance account. 2. Start trading. Engage in spot or futures trading to meet the volume requirements for the bonuses. 3. Monitor your progress. Keep an eye on your trading volume and bonus eligibility in the rewards section. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for any trader. Here's a breakdown. Maker and taker fees. Binance operates on a maker and taker fee model with competitive rates for both spot and futures trading. Fee levels. Fees vary based on your trading volume and VIP level. Deposit and withdrawal fees. These fees depend on the currency and method used. Binance takes security seriously. They employ advanced security features including cold storage. The majority of user funds are stored in cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to user accounts. Real-time monitoring, continuous monitoring to detect and prevent suspicious activities. Trading on Binance is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log in. Access your Binance account. Navigate to the trading page. Choose the market you want to trade in. Place your order. Select the type of order, market, limit, or conditional, and enter the details. Execute. Confirm and execute your trade. Binance offers robust customer support, including 24/7 live chat for immediate assistance, email support for more detailed inquiries, educational resources, guides, tutorials, and FAQs to help users navigate the platform. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, advanced security features, and educational resources. Cons: some users may find the trading fees higher compared to other platforms. All right, that's it for today's video. Binance offers a comprehensive trading experience with numerous features to enhance your crypto journey. Remember to use the referral code 291935167 when you sign up to enjoy some great bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading! See you in the next video. Bye.